outside the Dixie Chicken in Northgate in College Station, and ASAP Security Services just completed a video surveillance system in the entire Northgate area. And you can see we have cameras throughout the property, as well as all of this is being streamed back via a wireless network that was also installed. Additional infrared illumination was added because it's such a dark area, even with the lighting and lots of people around, in order to capture those high quality images of people in and out around here in a crowd. Additional illumination was even added. So ASAP Security is proud to be supporting the City of College Station and securing the fight in Texas Aggies.